Hi, my name is Emiliano, and I'm going to talk about MUNAA. In my opinion, this was a very difficult event to make it possible, since you need many help. Thanks of all. I am very thankful for all the family members that were part of it, and also for the school and Mr. Abraham, Miss Tanya, and Miss Dani that were helping us to make this event possible. Making MUNAA is a very good experience that every student needs to have, where we can find many skills, many ability skills, teamwork, and solving global issues. Now, since we make our own event, we can go to another event and mention that we just made our event that was named MUNAA 2023. Thanks for all the advisors and the schools that were coming to MUNAA to make this event possible. Also for the school and all the family members that were helping us. Thank you.